Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the store locator feature on the Woolworths application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the My Accounts button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should scroll down a bit until you find the General section. Within this section you can find the Store Locator feature, so tap on it, and as you have enabled location, so that if you have allowed the app to have access to your location, the app will search for nearby stores. So here you have the nearest ones. Down below you can check them out as sliding to the left side of the screen, and then you can check it out on the map. As you click on it, you can see the directions and the contact information, so you can call them. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.